Shivaya, I'm Arsha Suresh from Class 8. October 23rd is marked as World Mold Day, which is celebrated by chemists, chemistry students, and chemistry enthusiasts around the world.
Friends, do you know the substance in this world is made up of atoms and molecules? Now, how do we know how many atoms or molecules are present in a substance? Well, this was solved by Armando Avogadro, the Italian scientist. He developed the mole concept. What is mole? We know that a dozen means 12 numbers. Similarly, 1 mole is 602 hexillion, which is equal to 6.02 into 1023 Avogadro numbers. Avogadro numbers is denoted as 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 to define the number of particles present in a single mole of any substances. The day originated around 1980s when an article appeared in the Science Teacher. Later, a retired high school teacher, Maureen Cloher, drew inspiration from the article and founded the National Mole Day Foundation.
Every year, different themes are given. This year's theme is Small Avengers. Thank you, Namah
Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning, dear teachers and students. My name is Devi Krishna of Class 8. Today, I am here to talk about the International Mole Day. Mole Day is celebrated on the 23rd of October annually and is enjoyed wholeheartedly by chemists, chemistry students, and chemistry enthusiasts across the world. This day is commemorated in honor of Avogadro's number and is marked from 6.2 am to 6.2 pm. The main aim is to make students interested in chemistry by directing various activities associated with moles and chemistry. More specifically, the celebrations take place between 6.2 am and 6.2 pm. In the US, the time and date are written 6.02 10 by 23. The time and date are derived from Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is approximately 6.02 into 10 is to 23, hence defining the number of particles, that is atoms or molecules, in 1 mole of a substance. It is one of the 7 base SI units. Avogadro number is denoted as 6.02 into 10 is to 23 and is defined as the number of particles present in a single mole of any substance. This number or a mole is a basic measuring unit for atoms and molecules discovered by Amedeo Avogadro, an 18th century Italian scientist. The day originated around the 1980s when an article appeared in The Science Teacher. Later, a retired high school chemistry teacher, Morris Ohler from Wisconsin, USA, drew inspiration from the article and founded the National Mole Day Foundation. When written in American format, the day resembles the Avogadro number, which signifies the number of molecules or atoms contained in a mole. The day is a special day for all the people associated with the subject of chemistry. Many activities related to moles and chemistry are conducted to mark this day. Every year, there are specific Mole Day themes announced. The theme for Mole Day the year 2020 was Molezilla. It is a special day for all the persons associated with the subject of chemistry. Many activities related to moles and chemistry are conducted to mark this day. There is no National Mole Day 2021 theme yet, but the object of this day remains the same. Thank you.